So we have the EMT Quick Stop. So it comes with standard half 13 T-nut. So that's going to fit most T-slots on most machines. It's all made out of cold roll steel, zinc plating for additional corrosion protection. Standard half 13 T-handle on the bottom for the base. When you tighten them down, if you need to lift and rotate to get the handle out of the way for easy manipulation, it goes in 360 degrees. We have additional rigidity features of knurling applied to both ball joints. All T-handles do lift and rotate. We have ball bearing washers on the center T-handle with a wave spring behind it to help hold in place when loosening so nothing falls on its face. Stainless steel rod and a milled profile for better tool path creation, with a locking collar that allows you to set your rod stop, loosen the handle, move the rod out of the way. Then when you need, you can move the rod right back, tighten your handle right back down.